Welcome! Today we'll be installing a Target peel and stick wallpaper onto this wall. First though, let's get everything out the way. Perfect. Let's get started. I begin by removing any covers, pulling out nails I used to hang pictures, spackling, and finishing off with a wipe down. Now that the wall is prepped and ready to go, we're gonna first start off by measuring our wallpaper. The wallpaper I'm using today is from Target. It is from their brand Opalhouse. It has a really nice mustard color. We're gonna first measure out the wall and then make sure we measure out the appropriate length of the wallpaper. I match the panels up beforehand and then proceed to cut them. For the first panel, I made sure to take my time and align it to the wall as straight as possible. I created a fold where the edge was so that I could cut off excess paper. I then went in with an Xacto knife for a more precise cut. When sticking on the wallpaper, I slowly remove the back and pull it down as I apply the paper at the same time. Smoothing out any air bubbles. If you have texture on your walls, like I do, some air bubbles might be inevitable. I trimmed off the excess from the bottom with the Xacto knife for a clean edge. I took my time to make sure the panels were aligned as best as possible. I overlapped the panels ever so slightly, as some people have said the paper can shrink and expose parts of your wall. When it came to doing my door, I did a rough cut of the excess paper first. Then smoothed out the remaining paper so it was flush with the wall. I trimmed the edges with the Xacto knife. What do you think? It's actually the next day. I didn't get a chance to film last night because I was so tired when I had finished. I am extremely pleased with the results. I really like the way it looks. I think the wallpaper from Target is really good quality. It was easy to work with whenever I had needed to re-stick it. I do have to say, application was really annoying. It was like so annoying and it was very tedious. It felt like an uphill battle, but now that I'm finished and I'm looking at the end result, like it is so gratifying. I'm happy that I did it. I think it just really spices up your room or your decor, and it makes your home feel just more fun. Especially since we are spending more time at home, I think it's important to make your home feel like a place you want to be. And this definitely makes me want to spend time in my room so I can stare at it. Check it out if you guys are interested in changing up your room. They have a bunch of patterns and it doesn't just have to be used for a wall. Some people used it for a surface or for a cabinet drawer. It's very versatile and it can be a quick and easy way to just change up your space. So give me a thumbs up if you guys also like it. And because I like it, but I'm curious to know what you think. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.